This is what we're going with. Mobil 1 European Formula 5W40. This hood is heavy too. I'm not gonna lie. I guess I can tell you guys a story while I'm doing this. Might have to add some. Do I need to add some coolant too? I feel like my coolant is cool, but maybe I should add some. I feel like it's cool. But yeah, story time. So story is my car has been hit 2 times in the past, let's see, like couple months, let's say since this past November. Yeah, since this past November. Between November and let's say April, my car has been hit 2 times while I was parked.